equipment as far as the passenger cars. Empire Builder. Oh, ain't got a problem. Bicentennial in 1776 and so as you can see, this is 3604 and the daylight fluted siding treatment. Lower lounge again. Nice mural there. This is the regular dome seating. You can see there's a bit of a lounge area and then more of the sightseer type seats. Now if we go over to the other daylight painted dome that I got, you will notice this looks similar down here. This also looks similar, but then you get over here, the entire upper level lounge is more of the cocktail lounge type seating, and it continues to the end of the car. Now this particular car, I'll just zoom in here. This is 3605. So, by the way, to keep these cars from free rolling at all, I have enlisted the help of a little critter down here, the trusty wombat. Here we are. There's our other two domes there.